can achieve a Zen life through your stomach as well. To prove this, we've prepared a list of 10 best anti-stress foods to put on your daily menu. 1. Chocolate. Chocolate is the anti-stress food par excellence. Thanks to its richness in magnesium, it helps fight against your decreases in energy and to better deal with stressful situations. It is preferable to consume dark chocolate because its richness in magnesium is superior by far, on average, 112 mg per 100 grams. For comparison, milk chocolate contains 60 mg. In addition to that, its sweet flavor makes it a cuddly food par excellence and activates the production of endorphins, the hormone of pleasure. 2. Almonds. Almonds are rich in phytosterols, monounsaturated fatty acids, vegetable proteins, soluble fiber, vitamins and minerals. Consuming a handful of almonds on a daily basis has no impact on your shape and heightens your serenity, thanks to a high content of magnesium, just like chocolate. In general, all nuts, macadamia nuts, hazelnuts, etc., and oilseeds are excellent for your health and morale. 3. Bananas. The banana is rich in magnesium and potassium. It also contains tryptophan, an amino acid known for its relaxing properties that directly affect serotonin levels. Serotonin is a chemical messenger of the central nervous system involved in many physiological functions, sleep, mood, eating behaviors, etc. It is deficient in people suffering from depression or chronic anxiety. A daily banana makes it possible to recharge the batteries and better face the vagaries of existence. 4. Blackcurrants. Blackcurrants, like all foods rich in vitamin C, are a natural anti-stress food. Rich in antioxidants, they affect the cortisol level, which is the stress hormone. In addition to that, they reduce joint pain, which can be related to a tension in the body. It can be consumed as is, in an infusion, or in the form of capsules or drinkable suspensions as part of a seasonal solution. 5. Dried figs. Figs are rich in antioxidants and vitamin B3. Antioxidants provide energy and help fight diseases, while vitamin B3 plays an important role for neurotransmitters by facilitating the synthesis of serotonin. Rich in water and sugars, they can be consumed daily in a moderate amount and as part of a balanced diet. However, they are not recommended for people with diabetes. 6. Mushrooms. Mushrooms provide essential vitamins and minerals. Their richness in selenium favors exchanges between neurotransmitters and makes it possible to combat anxiety and depression, which result physiologically from the disturbed exchanges between neurotransmitters, in particular serotonin. Low in calories, they can be put on the menu every day. 7. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as tuna or salmon, are rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids, including omega-3. Omega-3 has favorable effects on the composition of cell membranes, as well as on many biochemical processes in the body, blood pressure regulation, vessel elasticity, immune reactions, etc., promoting the transmission of nerve impulses. They thus improve emotional balance. 8. Eggs. Eggs often get bad press because they increase bad cholesterol. Yet, if consumed in reasonable quantities, 2 to 3 times a week, they are good for your health and contribute to a steel morale, thanks to its richness in vitamin B9. This vitamin plays an important role on the nervous system. Other foods rich in vitamin B9 are spinach, broccoli, salads, wheat germ and liver. 9. Herbal teas. Herbal teas are our grandmother's remedies to soothe the little ailments of everyday life. Chamomile-based herbal teas are recommended for their calming properties. Those made from linden tree are recommended in case of nervous disorders, while passiflora is a very good natural anxiolytic. Consumed at bedtime, these teas can offer a relaxing moment conducive to sleep. 10. Green teas. At a rate of 5 cups a day, green tea can reduce the effects of stress. A recent study has highlighted this fact. The Japanese who claimed to drink more than 5 cups of green tea a day were less stressed than those who did not drink 5 cups at least. It remains to be seen whether drinking green tea is an inconsequential part of a lifestyle where there is no source of stress or if it actually reduces the stress. In any case, the richness in antioxidants of green tea can only have beneficial effects on the body and, therefore, on morale. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips and information, just click subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching.